Good afternoon, everybody. I am out here in my yard and I'm standing in front of this shed that we have here on our property, and I got a bunch of my tools and stuff. I had them in a carport on the other side of the house, and that whole area is going to get leveled for the shop, so I have to move everything. So I got everything staged out here, and I basically got to set up this little shop temporarily. It's not ideal at all. As you can see, it's dirt floor. I showed you guys a little bit of this in the last video, which you can't, I don't know if you can tell, there's a slope to the whole thing. The whole thing runs downhill. Even on the inside, it's not leveled at all. So, I mean, this, like you might be able to tell, I think that 2x4 is probably close to level, maybe. And you can see how far off it is from the boards that are running along the ground there. So it's not going to be ideal, but you know, I got to put this stuff somewhere, and let's just make it functional for now so I can work on little things in here and get to my tools and stuff. So that's what I'm going to show you today. We're going to go ahead and we're going to, you know, move some stuff around and try to make this a functional, semi-functional shop. So this thing's not going anywhere. It's got to stay right there. But the rest of this, I need to shuffle around, move some stuff. We're going to put my big metal workbench in there and this toolbox in there. Those are the two big things. And then all of this stuff, so we have a grinder and a vise and drill press, and we're just going to set it up so that we can actually do some work in here if we need to. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just set you guys up on a time lapse somewhere, and we're gonna shuffle some stuff around, we're gonna move some stuff in, and we're gonna turn this into a workable shop. Alright, so we are done with the shop. Show ya, pretty basic. So we got our grinder here, that's the one I mainly use. Drill press. Everything's on a hill, so I did the best I could with leveling. We got our table, toolbox, sander, vise, another grinder, garbage can, the anvil that I made, and then this cart is kind of extra storage. I got a bumper for the lawnmower in here that I need to put on. But yeah, that's it. That's the space for now. So we're gonna go grab the next project, and you guys are gonna get a quick little sneak peek at what we got coming up. So this is what's coming up on DJ's Hot Rod and Fab. We got this Manco Intruder 2 go-kart that has been sitting for who knows how long. It's a pretty sweet go-kart. I got it for a steal, and we're going to get it going so we have something to blast around the yard in. I wanted something that I could fit my son into, so it's 2-seat, and it fits me just fine. So I can squeeze my son in there next to me and we can blast around. It'll be fun, and the wife can take it out too. So yeah, stay tuned to the next episode, or maybe even the following episode, to see this thing running and driving again. Thank you guys for watching my little dirt shop build, and stay tuned for future episodes of DJ's Hot Rod and Fab. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.